Faith finally realized ukuthi ayikho lento yakhe noKhulubuse, gave back his ring, called it quits, and went back home. She's devastated, but at least she's home safe. Sabelo confessed to wanting to kill Faith, but Mandaba kept quiet, and Khulubuse still thinks it was a business deal. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Sweet. So, Size arrived at Dadewethu, I'm here now. I'm here to protect you. Faith wants to go back home, saying, I can't do this anymore. Sis is going on about, I know you're strong, you've dealt with worse things. To Faith, this is different. I can't anymore. I want to go home. Khulubuse comes to talk to Faith. Faith is not even eating her food. We are about what happened and says who's on protect her. And Faith now wants to know what was the target. Khulubuse lies saying that it was a business deal, some tender I applied for that is fighting with someone else, knowing exactly what umndeni involved. Now uMandaba uNtombi questions uSabelo ingane zakhe. Sabelo they tried to deny it first no Swahle, but she insisted they tell the truth. Wagcina evuma ke uSabelo ukuthi yes, he did want to kill Faith. The bullets were meant for Faith. uMandaba ati, but then he insists that he was doing it for uma wakhe uNtombi. uNtombi is like, how can you be so cruel? You almost killed someone and you're saying you were doing it for me? How many times have I told you to change your ways? One of mine, you almost killed your father. You're going to go to jail for this. So someone now is scared. Would say, am I going to get arrested? Please don't tell Baba I'm in jail. But obviously she won't tell Khulubuse because he's on Kosh. Khulubuse takes a walk no Faith, and Faith then tells him, you know I love you, but I will not die for a man. And I'm done. I can't do this anymore. Khulubuse back saying, I'm going to leave uNtombi. I'll do whatever it takes. Ngamshiya sambe. Ati, nope, I'm not going to build my life over another woman's tears. Took off his ring and gave it back to him. Ati Khulubuse ngiyakuthanda, but I have to go home. Finally, Faith is choosing herself because this second wife thing is not going to happen because uNtombi is not agreeing. uNtombi does not like this idea one bit. So Faith has finally given up, saying, I'm going home. Says the questions uMandaba, but you guys wanted to kill my sister. But Mandaba says, if you wanted her dead, she'd be dead by now. But you want to say monsters. Simamugelo Faith in our house, and what you're accusing us of is not true. Faith goes back home. Shemu honor no last. They welcome her. Agase devastated with girl. She's crying. I think she really loved Khulubuse. And it was all fairy tale until she realized that Khulubuse has a first wife, which just changed everything for her. And even though she wanted to sacrifice and make this thing work, it just didn't work out. So it's understandable that she's hurt. Maria meets Ukata. Kata tells her that she is now part of Tabernacle Church. She is now born again, and says that he wants to speak to Isaac. Indodaga Maria. Now Maria is shaken, goes home saying, Isaac, Kata wants to speak to you, Nyako Bona. But Isaac is like, I'm not going to entertain that fool. And if he bothers you again, I'm not going to let him anywhere near Mutuaka. But Maria is going on about Agnyakidindwa because she knows how bad it can get. Isaac Agatomulu and Alibu Katali Ezekiel. Now Ezekiel is questioning the driver, how woman, the numbers are low. The money is not as good as it used to be. Why is it like this? You need to make sure that these kids work harder, and if they are not working harder, you need to push them. You need to make them fear falling short and bring a lot of money. Re-rachele them while we are not playing. What does it mean push them? Does it mean torture them? Now Molife sees a man at the car wash with his son. Now he's having flashbacks about Reasenzo atlilelena kukawashing. Shemi can just see that it's not okay. So this girl was right to he is not over his divorce yet. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.